Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's Chinese Happy Hour. Today's mission is to drill some pinyin from scratch. Let's dive in. Just a very quick heads up, this is a textbook that I use for this drilling practice. I recommend it because it contains a lot of meaningful conversations and a lot of Chinese culture tips. Really good book. Strongly recommended. These pinyin are from the first lesson of the book. We're starting from initials and finals, which are consonants and vowels. The first consonant is B, as in box. Second, P, as in person. M, N, L, H, like in help. H, A, O. Notice that my lips are pressed. O, E, wider mouth. E, U, Ü. One more time for these two. U, Ü, Ao, N, Ye, like saying yay. Ye, Yin, Yung. The difference between these two is, for this one, the tip of your tongue is tapping upper part of your mouth. And for this one, the tip goes down, and the back of your tongue goes up to block the air. Therefore, you'll have more air to go through your nose to create that nasal sound. One more time. Yin, Yung, Wo. Some people would pronounce it as wo, which I call that lazy wo. The last sound, you're supposed to press your lips. Wo. Now we're putting the consonants and the vowels together. And notice that here we only have the first tone. Ba, bo, bi, bu, bing, biong, pa, po, pi, pu, ping, pyong, ma, mo, mi, mu, ne, now, nie, le, lao, lie, luo, he, hao, huo. Now we're going to level up the challenge that will have 4 tones for this time. I actually have a different video to offer tips for 4 tones, and you can see the link down there in the video description. A, 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 ni, 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 hao, 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 li, 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 bo, 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 ling, 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 na, 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 lu, 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 yu, 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 yu. The reason why the U here and here pronounced differently is because this U is actually not wu, it's the one with two dots above. Because when yu, which is the one with two dots above, combines with this consonant, yi, it will be blind. That means we need to remove the two dots. So the sound is yu. That's why together it is yu. 平平我我我很很恨耶耶也耶。Now it's time for us to add more spice to our learning, that we're going to learn the meaning of this sentence and we're going to drill the pronunciation. The meaning of the sentence is, why are you scolding to mom's horse? 你 you 干嘛 why? Notice that this is only for casual conversation, that we don't really use it in writing or informal conversations. 骂 to swear at or to scold. 妈妈的 mother's 马 horse. Now we're gonna read it in slow speed and then regular speed. 你干嘛骂妈妈的马 Slightly faster, but still slow. 你干嘛骂妈妈的马 Final challenge, regular speed. 你干嘛骂妈妈的马 Excellent, I know that you nailed this sentence. That is all for today's practice. I hope you had fun, and I'm so proud of you that you're learning a new language. Before too long, I'm going to see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and take care.